consumer has so many choices. The company which will be able to give the faster information to the consumer, so that will be the winner in the market. And I think with Bizom, you can achieve that because your entire supply chain will be connected through the tech, and you will get the information flow will be very, very fast. So the key challenge in Bausch & Lomb that we face is that we are managing close to 20,000 SKUs, right? And at the distributor point, we are keeping only 700 SKUs. So the key challenge is to give it the right information to retailers. Every time retailer call to distributors, earlier we were facing a huge amount of issues because we were not, distributor was not able to give the right turnaround time for any availability of the product. And that's why everything was going haywire and it was not going as per the confirmation timelines, right? But that point of time we thought that there is a need of connecting all the facets of the supply chain, all these key stakeholders of the supply chain through the use of the technology like retailers, distributors and Bausch & Lomb. So that's why we have taken this Bizom app. The reason why we choose Bizom because it has all the right kind of tool for all the stakeholders. Like for the retailers, it has the Bizom app, wherein which retailer can use to place the orders online and check the status of the orders. And immediately he get the SMS also, wherein he get to know about the status of his order and what is attached like for each and every lines, right? And second part is the distributor management system. Earlier what he used to do that he used to get calls from the retailers and he has to note each and every line on the pen and paper, and sometimes there was huge gap in terms of the noted down information, inputting of that information and giving the right kind of feedback to the retailers. But now all the orders he's getting from the retailers, he doesn't have to do the duplicate work, and every order is getting inputted right amount by the retailer, so he doesn't have to do the duplication of the work, and that's why his productivity has also increased. Secondly, he is getting all the invoicing information from the Bausch & Lomb also. So in the way his distributor productivity has increased, his inventory has gone online, he can immediately check the status of the inventory from the system and give the right kind of feedback to the retailers, and in turn he can give the right kind of TAT to the consumers. That's why the entire supply chain has been connected with the Bizom app.